Welcome. Today we shall discuss about Bohr's atomic model. Before discussing it, let us have a glimpse on Ernest Rutherford's alpha scattering model. In his alpha scattering experiment, he used gold foil having 1000 atoms thickness in his experiment. He used the source of alpha rays, helium nucleus. This helium nucleus is also called helium ion, having 2 positive charges and 4 atomic mass unit. A beam of alpha rays were allowed to pass through a slit and were supposed to hit on the gold foil. To his observation, he found all these alpha rays got scattered after being hit on the gold foil, and this scattering happened at different angles. Out of these scattered alpha rays, most of the alpha rays passed through without any deflection, and some of the alpha rays got deflected at different angles, and few alpha rays got bounced back. Like you can see here in this atom, the alpha rays that are passing, most of these alpha rays are passing straight through the atom, and few alpha rays are getting deflected or deviated at certain angle. They were passing close to the nucleus, and fraction of the alpha particles bounced back when they struck the nucleus. So Rutherford came to the conclusion that the positive charge is not distributed throughout the atom, but it is confined or concentrated in the center of the atom in a very, very small space, and this small space having a positive charge in it inside the atom was called nucleus, and the electrons were supposed to revolve in orbits, and around the nucleus the most of the space of atom was supposed to be empty, and electrons were revolving in these orbits. If the electrons continue to revolve in these orbits, they will lose their energy and slow down and spirally. Ultimately, they will collapse on this positive charged nucleus, which will result in the instability of atom. But this is not the case. The electron will not collapse. Niels Bohr came to the postulate that Ernest Rutherford's this assumption was not up to the satisfactory and was rejected. Then Niels Bohr put his own postulate about atom. Niels Bohr advocated that the electrons are no doubt revolving in orbits, but these orbits have their own energy. The electron, while revolving in these orbits, will not lose energy. They will continue to revolve in these orbits. That's why these orbits are called stationary orbits or stationary levels. These electrons are orbiting in these shells, which are also called energy levels. They are designated by letters K, L, M, N, or by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the structure of atom given by Niels Bohr and the designation of orbits. Niels Bohr's atomic model was not applicable to few atoms like helium atom and lithium atom. All these 3 chemists like J.J. Thomson and Ernest Rutherford and Niels Bohr had a great contribution in the field of chemistry. Despite having limitations, they have the blessings of Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry. Thank you for watching me. Thank you.